All right, so I just picked up this evaporator setup. It is made out of a 275-gallon fuel oil tank. It's got a little door on it. Works good, everything works good. It's got a damper on the top here. Everything works. It's been used a bit, but it is pretty much exactly what I wanted to build. All done, and instead of spending all summer building one, we can put this one to work and get using it right away. So this is filling up again. I've already boiled down once or twice actually, and another 25 gallons going in here. I think this is actually when it's full to the lid. I mean, it's full up to here, and I think that might be more like 30, but it's a 25-gallon tank, so we'll see. But got that filling up. I got to get the fire going on this old setup. I don't know. See, the floor's a little wet here. This is the water issue I deal with all the time, which is why we're setting up this, and I'll show you a better shot of that later. But see, the bank starts running in from snow melt off. So that's going to work good, I hope, once I get all this set up and get those drains running everything out of here. We get either a stone or concrete floor in here. This is going to be awesome. It's hard to work on the building and work on stuff you're trying to do at the same time, but we're getting it done. All right, so here's a little closer view. This is a 275-gallon tank. I forget the width and the size. I don't have the tape on me at the moment. I should grab one. But this is kind of the setup. It's a nice, I mean, it's older and used a bit. It sat outside all season, but it's still in pretty good shape. This is the grate for it. I think they got a little curved, maybe a little bent. Still has the old ash in it. The bottom's straight, but we might have to bend those back a bit. And one of these brackets from inside here came off. But the burn pan's not bad. A little bit of water in there from snow today. Everything melting off. Should be all right though. It's gonna work great. See what we're using now. This is a major improvement. So I'll get this thing cleaned out and we'll go from there. All right. So I got her all cleaned out, but I think I'm going to work on it more tomorrow. The pan is much cleaner. It's freezing out here though. Good for tonight. Just started these ones and they're just starting to fire up. Should be a good day. Well, this thing's working pretty good. Seems to be working awesome. Woohoo! I think we're getting a little boil in the center. Can't really see it, but hey, yeah, she's boiling. Cool. All right, so out here now, I got a bunch of old barn boards that have just been in the snow and nasty, trying to dry them off. Got a next bucket that'll go in, kind of pre-warming a bit. Lost my boil when I dumped the last bucket in, but it looks like it's just starting to come back. I don't know if you can tell, but right up in here, it's just starting to bubble. As the wind changes directions, you can see it. No. That thing is making some steam. This thing definitely going to speed the process along. It's looking good. All right, so this is a little small pan, and the process here, kind of open the tap, let some out. Nice hot stuff. once you get that one full, we're gonna take it off. I take it inside here. It's a little full because I just topped it off, but then I dump it into this last tray here, and it should keep our boil. Yeah, I mean, it didn't even stop the boil, so that's good. There she is, boiling a little bit. So I have been digging, trying to get this corner cleared out for this stone wall. And I'm getting pretty close. See this edge line here? The stone wall will come out and meet about there, and the back will be about there. And I still got to get a piece of pipe in here, a piece of drainage pipe. So that's what I got left. Not too bad. It's coming along nicely. My pipe is glowing red there. This thing's a ripping. Boiling some maple syrup. It's looking good. Should be evaporating fast tonight. All right, so we are boiling again. I've been digging out more of the foundation for this barn, and that's coming pretty good. So this side's ready, that side's ready. We'll get our drains in eventually. Boiling away. All right, so we got a little bit of drainage going for that water drain we put in. And now we can start building our stone wall along here. Should hopefully take some of the water out and away. All right, so the front half, I'm gonna make this the high point and kind of run a little bit that way. But the most of it, I think we're gonna bring around the corner here and right outside and down. But that should solve most of our water issues. And I don't know, I like the way it turned out here. Well, we're done. We're wrapping up for the year. So this stuff got a little sour, so we're gonna drain it out.